Hello, everybody. Thank you for joining us. This is Christopher Bannon here with the National Weather Service in Slidell, Louisiana, and we're going to give you the Thursday weather update for what you could expect through the weekend and coming into next week. Maybe we could see a cold front. Keep our fingers crossed. And here's the situation overview. Wind temperatures and lower rain chances will persist through the remainder of the work week and into the weekend. Our biggest concern right now in the short term continues to be the heat indices, as we're looking for heat indices around 100 to 107, maybe topping out at 108 degrees Friday and Saturday, maybe possibly into Sunday, but we'll see if we have a little bit slightly drier air on Sunday. We are still kind of keeping our fingers crossed for that cold front. Looks like it could move through mid next week. And then the tropics, they remain active. We still have Nana and Omar out there, but as of right now, there are no threats to Louisiana or Mississippi through the next 5 days. First, let's take a look at our tropical weather outlook. This was the 7 p.m. update from the National Hurricane Center today. Tropical depression Nana will dissipate over Central America, and we're still issuing advisories on tropical depression Omar, which will continue to move into the open Atlantic. There are 4 other disturbances that we are currently watching. However, good things, they are not posing any threat to the north central Gulf Coast, so we'll keep an eye on them as we should. We are moving towards the peak of hurricane season, but right now things look good for at least the next 5 days. Now, getting back to that heat concern that we have for the next few days, Friday and Saturday look to be the warmest in the next week. We do see heat indices that are, again, ranging from 100 to 107, possibly 108 degrees across the area. Obviously, if you are outside doing any outside work or, playing outside, try to take as frequent breaks if you can. Try to stay cool if you can, and definitely hydrate as often as possible. And one other thing is, if you have any family or friends that are in Southwest Louisiana that are still trying to clean up from Hurricane Laura, which will take a long time to do, please remind them to take frequent breaks. Drink a lot of water, and at best try to find some areas to stay cool. Try not to be a statistic out there. We have had a few more heat casualties over the last couple of days, and heat advisories are in effect right now for Southwest Louisiana for tomorrow and into Saturday. And that cold front that we're keeping our fingers crossed, hoping to get into the area, this is the day 6 to 10 temperature outlook from the Climate Prediction Center. As you can see, there's a moderate probability of seeing below normal temperatures during that time frame. So that'd be nice to see if we can get these highs down into the lower to mid 80s, without rain and cloud cover out there. But then we could also see some lows that are in the 60s. So keep our fingers crossed that this does play out. There are question marks. May see more of just a very weaker front with slightly below normal temperatures, but hopefully we can get the cooler air that some of the models are trying to indicate. And looking at the rainfall outlook, there is a low probability of seeing above normal rainfall. Rain chances do increase Monday, Tuesday, and into Wednesday as that possible front does approach our area. However, Friday and through this weekend, look for very low rain chances. So continued heat Friday and through the weekend, and then maybe start seeing some rain return Monday next week. A real quick summary of impacts. Again, our biggest concern in the short term are warm temperatures and then low rain chances through the weekend. We are concerned with those heat index values ranging from about 100 to 107, maybe peaking out about 108 actually on here, especially Friday and Saturday. So remind your family members, keep your eye on your neighbors and everything. Hopefully people are staying cool if they're outside doing yard work or anything. Stay hydrated and try to take frequent breaks. Keeping our fingers crossed, watching that cold front as it tries to push into our area Wednesday. And then the tropics, they are very active right now. However, good things with no threats right now to Louisiana and Mississippi through next week. Thank you, everybody, for joining us. Hopefully this was helpful, and look for our next update on Sunday.